Hi friends, welcome to my non-GL chemistry YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain previous year question in thermodynamics and thermochemistry. So the first question, the occurrence of the reaction is impossible if. So four conditions are given. First condition, delta H positive, delta S positive. Second, delta H negative, delta S also negative. Third, delta H negative, delta S is also positive. Fourth, delta H is positive, delta S is negative. So here the condition is minimum. There are two conditions. Delta H is negative, important condition. Delta H is negative, delta S is positive. If both the conditions are favored, then the reaction to be spontaneous. At least one condition. So the first, delta H positive, delta S is positive, one condition. Then second, delta H negative, delta S is, here also delta H is satisfied. Third, delta H negative, delta S positive, both are satisfied. But the last one, delta H is positive, delta S is negative, both are not satisfied. So this is in this condition the reaction is impossible. In second question, the enthalpy of fusion of water is 1.435 kilocalorie per mole. The molar entropy change for the melting of ice at 0 degree centigrade. So here delta H value is given to calculate the delta S value. Delta H value is given, but question it is the unit is kilocalorie, but answer is in calorie. So delta S is equal to delta H by T, temperature. Delta H is equal to here 1.435 kilocalorie. Kilocalorie is converted into calorie. That is 1435 divided by 0 degree 273. So dividing 273 5 times 15, 1, 35, 36, 3, 13. So around 5, the answer is C. So C is the correct option. C 5.260 calorie mole power minus 1 Kelvin power. Then move to the next question. Which of the following has delta S greater than 0? Delta S 0, standard entropy change. That is the entropy change at standard condition, 1 atmospheric pressure and 298 Kelvin. First option, so the entropy we know, disorder, that is randomness. First option, calcium carbonate solid plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate solid. So physical mean, solid is converted into liquid. Liquid is converted into gas. Solid to converted into gas. So that physical process, entropy increases. Solid to liquid, not liquid to solid. So the disorder increases. When solid is converted into liquid, the solid form of compound is orderly fashion. Liquid is, the molecules are move apart. So the entropy increases. Then liquid is converted to gas, vaporization. Solid to converted into gas, sublimation. Here solid is one solid plus another gas, it is converted to solid, so the entropy decreases. Then second is sodium chloride aqueous state. So aqueous state means the ions are Na plus and Cl minus are free, but sodium chloride is solid, it is in the combined form. That's also entropy decreases. Sodium nitrite solid state to Na plus aqueous, NO3 minus aqueous. So solid state, the ions are held together by strong electrostatic force of attraction, hence randomness or disorder is low. But in free state, that is in aqueous state, the ions are freely move oppositively electrode. So the entropy increases. Last one, all of them are gas, but the number of moles of gaseous product is less. Here also one important condition, chemical change. How to calculate the entropy increases in a chemical change mean the number of moles of gaseous product is larger. Here gaseous product is 2, but gaseous reactant is 4. So here also entropy decreases. So the correct option is C. Correct option C. The next question, N2 plus H2 gives NH3 for the formation of ammonia by Haber's process. For the above reaction is exothermy. The correct statement is A. Delta H less than delta E, B. Delta H equal to delta E, C. Delta H greater than delta E, D. None of these. So we know the formula delta H is equal to, what is the formula? Delta H is equal to delta E plus RT delta Ng, RT into delta Ng. Here delta Ng, number of moles of gaseous product is 2, number of moles of gaseous reactant here 1 mole, here 3 mole, so minus 2. So delta H is equal to delta E minus 2 RT. So if delta H is equal to delta E, when delta N is equal to 0. If it is negative value, delta H is greater than delta E. If it is positive value, delta H is less than delta E. So here delta E is low value. So delta H is greater than delta E. So in the formation of ammonia, delta E N value is minus. So this value should be low than delta H. So delta H is greater than delta E. Then move to the next question. Which law state that entropy of all pure crystalline solid is zero at absolute zero? That is first law of thermodynamics, second law, third law, Hess's law. Here, first law of thermodynamics, law conservation of energy. Second law, Kelvin-Planck statement, Clausius statement, entropy statement, efficiency, so like that. Third law state that entropy of all pure crystalline solid is zero at absolute zero. So here the formula, limit t tends to 0, S is equal to 0. Limit t tends to 0, S is equal to 0. So here option C is the correct option. Then D, Hess's law. Hess's law means the total heat change either at constant pressure or constant volume is same, whether the reaction takes place in single step or several steps, provided the initial and final values are same. That is, the reaction is carried out either at a single step or more step. Single step or more step at constant pressure and volume. Constant pressure means delta H, constant volume means delta E. Provided the initial and final stage are same. That is, here this is not correct. So here the correct option is C. Third law of thermodynamics. Next question. When ice melts, entropy of water becomes 0, decreases, increases, remains same. When ice melt, ice means solid, melt means liquid. So the disorder is solid is less than, liquid less than gas. So gas is form, entropy is more, then liquid, then solid. Solid, the ordered state is more. So entropy is least. So when ice melt, the entropy increases. Next question. The enthalpy of formation of methane, water and carbon dioxide are respectively. Enthalpy of formation of methane, water and carbon dioxide are respectively. Some values are given. Then the standard enthalpy of combustion of methane is formation of methane, water and carbon dioxide are given. First methane, C plus H2 gives CH4. Balance the equation 2. Then delta H. Then second delta H minus 74.8. Then second water, H2 plus of O2 gives H2O minus 285.5. Then third equation, carbon dioxide formation, C plus O2 gives CO2, carbon dioxide. Delta H minus 393.5. These are the given data. So by using this data to calculate combustion of methane. Combustion of methane means CH4. Methane combustion. The product are carbon dioxide and water. Balance the equation. 4 hydrogen 2. So oxygen 2 plus 2 4 2. So by using this to calculate this value. So in the first equation methane is there, but methane is in the right hand side as product, but here left hand side. So this equation is interchange. First interchange the first equation, interchange. So what happens in interchange? If we change the equation, the delta H value also changes. That is minus 74.8 is converted into plus 74.8. Second, here carbon dioxide is there. Second equation, water is in the right hand side, but 2 molecules of water is there. But here it is only 1 molecule. So it is multiplied. The second value is multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. That is there is minus 285. 85.5 into 2. 5 into 2. Then third equation as such. That is C plus O2 CO2. That is minus 393.5. So here the value minus 393.5, 285.5 minus 285.5. Add this value 5, 14, 1 remainder, 10, 18, 26, 2, 4, 6, 9, then 74, 74.8, here minus 15, 7, 9, here also 9, 899.7 minus 899. That is minus 890.3 kilojoule per mole. So here formation of some compound is given. From that formation of some compound, formation of methane C plus H2, formation of water H2 plus half O2 H2O, formation of carbon dioxide C plus O2 carbon dioxide. So by this is the question. From this data, what happens methane and combustion. So first equation methane is there, but in the product here reactant. So interchange. If you interchange the equation, the sign also change. Then second equation, water is there. So here also water is product. Here also water is product. But here 2 molecule of water. Here 1 molecule. Sorry. Here 2 molecule. Here 1. So the whole equation is multiplied by 2. If the whole equation is multiplied by 2, the delta H value is also multiplied by 2. Then third equation, carbon dioxide in the product side. Here also carbon dioxide product side. So by adding and solving, the value should be minus 890.3. I hope all of you will get confident to solve the problem easily. Share the video. Thank you for watching.